Everybody, please write your name on this paper. So today we are going to be working with some symbols, vocabulary that we learned 2 days ago. We started learning about it during math. What do these symbols mean, Serenity?
That one means greater than, and that one means less than, and that one means equal to.
Good. We are going to be comparing numbers today. Okay? All right. So let's look at our top number one. Can everybody get their pointer finger? Can everybody point to it? Aaliyah, point to it, please. Number one. It says, the greater than symbol, let's underline that so we can remember. The greater than symbol is used to show the number to the left of the symbol has a greater value. So that means it's a bigger number, right guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's practice using the greater symbol, the bigger symbol, okay? When we compare the numbers 28 and 23, okay? 28 and 23. So let's compare. We're going to use these symbols here. Good questions, Cece. Let's compare these two numbers. Emily, what symbol should I use to make this true? What symbol should I use? I have 28 and I have 23. Which one of these symbols should I use? What did I tell you about the alligator? What does the alligator do? Eats the biggest number. Can you point to which one's the biggest number? Do we agree? Is 28 the biggest number?
Yes.
All right, let's have the alligator eat it. Okay. Can you show me that on your page?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me that right here? Right here. Right on that line, guys. Good job. Oh, Serenity, can you write the numbers too? You got the right symbol. I just need you to write the numbers.
There.
All right.
The bigger number
Yeah, you got it? Good job. All right, point your finger again. Point to number 2. You ready?
Yes.
The lesser than symbol. Okay, let's underline that lesser. It's an important symbol to know, right?
Yes.
Is used to show the number to the left of the symbol has a lesser value. So it's a smaller number, right?
Yes.
Lesser and smaller, same thing, right? Okay, smaller value. So now let's use that symbol with the same numbers. So we have 28 again, and we have 23.
Can we see which is smaller?
Yep, which symbol would I use to say they're smaller? What symbol? Hey, Riley.
Less than?
Less than, point to it. Yep, so which one? Yes. Okay, so let's put that less than symbol.
I already did it.
Can you write the numbers? Make sure you're writing the numbers, guys. Do you see how they can be written both ways?
Yes.
But they're both true, right?
Yeah. We can
So
switch them.
we can switch them around, but they're both true, right?
They're both.
Okay. So one number is always bigger than the other. I have a question though. What if one of our questions, I know it's not on here, but let's try this out. What symbol would I use for this? Who can raise their hand and tell me? What symbol would I use for this? Aaliyah.
Equal.
Equal what?
Because the 2 and the 2 are the same and the 3 and the 3 are the same.
Yeah, it's the same number, right?
Yes.
So that's why we would use the equal symbol. Okay, good job, guys. All right, point your finger again. Point to number 3. All right, so this is going to have us compare two numbers, okay? Number 3 says, what is the value of 2 in both numbers? So let's get our pencil and let's underline the number 2 in both of those numbers. Let's underline the 2 in both of those numbers. Both of those numbers. Underline the 2 in both of these numbers. It's okay. I know it's kind of small. Right here. Right here. Right there. It's different. Yep, I know. Underline the 2 in both of those numbers. Alright, well let's use our information that we know about place value. And let's figure out what the value of 2 is. Okay, I'm going to write the number on my board so I can help you guys. I'll write this first. Alright, what's the value of the 1? Who can tell me? Serenity. 1 is in the ones place. 6 is in the, Diana? 9 is in the, 3 is in the, 6 is in the, yes. 2 is in the, not 1,000. Help her. Not 1,000. Can you call on a friend to help you?
Oh, this one?
Yep, you were right. 100,000. 100,000. Okay? So how would it just be 100,000?
No.
Who can tell me what my number would be? Can you write it? You write it on your line. Aaliyah. What would that value be? Would it be 100,000? Write it. What value would that 2 be? It's in the 100,000s place, but is that a 1?
Oh, I know.
Write it. Write it on the line.
I think
Perfect. I like how you wrote that. Right here, sweetheart.
I think it's 1,000.
Why don't you write the number?
Okay.
Good. Perfect.
Oh,
Is it 10?
No.
No. Perfect. Good job. Good job. Trinity, how would you write it? How would you write it? You would write the 2 and then how many zeros? Okay, right here. Right there. Yes, good job. Good job, ladies. Yes. Sure. Now the next question was, what is the value of the 6? So write the 6. Good job. So 1. And nope, for number 3.
Wait, what?
Sorry, I forgot to read the rest of the question. It says the 6 in both numbers. What is the value of the 6 in both of the numbers?
You told me to write it here.
Yep, I know you're gonna write it the next answer. What is the value of the 6 in both of the numbers? What is the value of the 6 in both of the numbers? No, you had it right. You're getting it both. Oh, no. Good job. What is the value of the 6? Write it right here underneath it. Thank you, Serenity, for showing me you're ready.
Let's see, the 6.
What would be the 6? Yes, Alina. Not expanded for. No. How would you write the 6? Where? But would it be 1,000 or would it be 6,000? And would it be 1,000 or 60? Yeah. Good job. All right, now let's look at the hundreds, tens, ones chart over here, right here. Let's look at that. Okay, and my next question is for number 4. What place value is the digit different? At what place value does the digit get different? I want you to write that place value. Use your hundreds, tens, ones chart to help you. At what digit did the number not match up?
This one, more than one.
What place value is that?
This one matches.
Which place value did they not match up?
This one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't.
That's the first place, going from left to right. Going from left to right. Where do they stop going together? Okay, can you write that place value for me? Trinity, can you write that place value for me? Good job, thank you. Good job. Good job, ladies. What place value do they have different? You got it right. What place value is that? 1,000. Write it. 1,000. Oh, Diana. Are these the same? Are these the same? Are these the same? At what place value did they stop being the same? Okay, can you write that? 1,000. You guys are doing a really good job. I'm proud of you. 1,000. All right, can I get our pointer fingers again? Let's point to number 6. Which is the greater number? So use the table on the right-hand side.
Wait, what about 5?
It's okay, we're just gonna skip that one. Which is the greater number? Which is the bigger number? Use this table to help you. And then you're gonna write the number.
This one?
Good, good.
So is it when I like,
You're just gonna write the number.
or what's this?
Nope, you're gonna write the whole number. Now, once you have that, who wants to read question number 7? Yes, Olivia. I know, I saw that. What should be our next question? Can you read it to us? What is the lesser number? Can you write it for me? What is the lesser number?
Oh, that's hard.
Between these two? What is the lesser number? Match them up. See which one is the lesser number.
But how is there was this?
Are these the same?
Yeah.
Are these the same? Which is the smaller number? So that's the answer. Okay, now here's a challenge for you. Okay, question number 8. It wants you to use the back of the page and you're gonna write 34,930. Okay? I'll write it on my board too. Okay, on the back of your page, write it. And then you can flip your page. Yep. Now you get to come up with your own number, but you need to use one of these symbols to help answer the problem. Okay, put it side by side. Okay, don't put it underneath it, put it side by side to help you. Okay, now you get to come up with a number. This number, and then you get to come up with your own number. Okay, now you're gonna use these symbols to answer it. Okay, now you get to do another one.
With the same number.
This is the same thing each time.
Oh, this one. This one?
That's correct.
Now do another one.
Yep, you're gonna do another one, but you're gonna use the same numbers again, okay? Aaliyah, can you write that a little bit bigger? I cannot see that when I'm grading. Thank you, ma'am.
How do you do a lesson? This way?
Good.
Okay, let's see.
Good job. Okay, can you give me another one?
Let me see what I did.
Let me see.
I did the same number, but I
So what would you use? Oh, you mixed them.
Yes.
Ah, okay, go for it. Yes, that's true. You're right. Have confidence in yourself. You did that
I got
correct.
it because it's four strings and this is a
So you pick the bigger number.
I did. I'm gonna draw another.
It's right where the trash can is. right above it, directly above it. Do you see it?
Yeah. So I'm looking to see if these are all just static
Okay.
as well.
It was coming out of the light as well a little bit.
Okay,
Okay, did you have the last one? Good job.
I draw more.
Aliyah.
I mixed up the
You
pictures.
look good.
Let me see.
Good job.
Can I do another one?
Nope, that's it.
Something else.
Alrighty, ladies. That's it for our lesson today. Can everybody please stand up? Mm-hmm. Oh, thank you. Can I have your papers, guys?